Are you tired of lagging while playing Roblox? Lag can seriously impact your gameplay experience, making every jump and move feel frustrating. First things first, check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial. Consider doing a speed test and optimizing your Wi-Fi settings to ensure you have the best possible speed. Next, adjusting your Roblox graphical settings can significantly enhance performance. Lower the graphics quality to achieve a smoother experience. Make sure to close any background applications that are consuming system resources. This will free up your computer's power for Roblox. Understanding your device specifications is key. If your hardware is outdated, it might be time to consider an upgrade. Sometimes, changing the server you're playing on can improve latency. Look for servers with lower ping for a better experience. For a more stable connection, consider using Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. This is a game changer in reducing lag. Keep Roblox and your device updated. Regular updates bring not just new features, but also performance improvements. Clearing cache and temporary files can free up essential resources and improve your gameplay fluency. To wrap up, remember these tips to fix lag in Roblox. Check your internet, adjust settings, close apps, know your specs, consider hardware upgrades, manage servers, use Ethernet, stay updated, and clear cache. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more gaming tips.